This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percent, and we're looking at problem number 12, and it says approximately 69% of firefighters in the United States are volunteer. If a town has 24 firefighters, and that's a total of 24 firefighters, how many firefighters can you expect to be volunteers? Round to the nearest whole number. So the total number of firefighters in the town are 24, and we are told 69% of them are volunteer. So we want to find 69% of 24. So we are going to use the part formula. 69% times the total of 24 gives us 16.56. We have to round this to the nearest whole number, which is the ones place where the 6 is. And so we look at the number to the right, and it's a 5. It's 5 or greater, so the 6 is rounded up 1 to a 7, and we have a total number of, or a number of volunteers of 17.